Yan!
Thank you.
Ay, may picture daw muna. Ayan. Second question. Okay. Okay. Ang next question. Ano 21 lang yan. Pag-girl dapat
Ayun, ito. Anong title ng hit teleserye na nagtapos kagabi? Natalia ko si Kinsu.
Ayan.
Mighty Nando Girl.
Yan!
Congratulations!
Ayan.
Congratulations po. Thank you.
Wow! Grabe naman makahilit ito. Okay. So, let's invite them to your basketball game. Yeah,
Bye!
University of San Agustin, manood po kayo. 7 o'clock. Magkita-kita po tayo doon. Sigurado magiging masaya yung event na yun.
Alright. So, sana mag-lahat ang daan sa San Agustin Gym. And hindi naman makakasama doon.
Kasama po namin si Gerald Agos, Abano, Mark Evans, Young Bibi at marami po pong stars. Maraming po po.
Alright. And that was CNN. Gusto nyo pa ng isang top ng CNN? Alright, ladies and gentlemen.